Today we're gonna be deep frying ice cream. I've been to many restaurants and I've tried deep fried ice cream before, but I wanted to attempt to make it at home and share my recipe with you guys. We're gonna be making 3 different flavors, starting with cornflakes, Fruity Pebbles, and Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Then we're gonna see which one tastes the best. First, we're gonna need our ice cream. You could actually use any type of ice cream that you like, but I'm going with vanilla ice cream because I feel like it doesn't take too much of the flavor away from all the cereal that's wrapped around it. To make the process a little bit easier, I'm gonna be using an ice cream scooper to scoop out my ice cream into a ball, but you could actually do this by hand. Now I'm just gonna take my ice cream and really shape it into a ball so it has that nice circle shape. It's a little bit of a messy process, but it's worth it. Okay, this scooper is giving me a huge problem, so I'm just gonna use my hand. It's freezing. Ooh, this is cold. That's so much better. We're gonna toss this into the freezer right away so it really freezes on the outside. Make sure they don't touch. Close it up. Now you just want to let them really freeze up in there. It should take about an hour and we're ready to go. While we wait for those to freeze, we're gonna crush up our cereals. Make sure you grind down the cereal really fine so you don't leave any gaps in the ice cream when deep frying. You want your consistency to look like this, not too coarse, but also not too fine. We can all agree that Fruity Pebbles is the best cereal out there, no question about it. All right, we got our 3 flavors ready: Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Fruity Pebbles, and Corn Flakes. I think the ice cream is now frozen all around, so let's go ahead and dip them in. All right, let's first start with the Corn Flakes. Gotta really press in that Corn Flakes all around. Make sure you coat it completely. You don't wanna have much open space around the ice cream when deep frying this. This is exactly what you want it to look like. Completely covered. Now for the Fruity Pebble. Don't be afraid to get messy. This is a messy process, but again, well worth it. The Fruity Pebble looks absolutely amazing. And last but not least, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. After I dip the ice cream into the cereal, I pop them back into the freezer just so it holds its shape. Now we're just gonna heat up our oil. The oil that I'm using is vegetable oil, but you could use canola oil, peanut oil, any type of oil that you have at your house. All right, now we're gonna bring the oil up to 375 to 385 because we wanna flash fry the ice cream balls. You're gonna need a slotted or sluted, a spoon with holes in it. And the reason why is when we take it out of the oil, you want the oil to drip off of the ice cream. First, we're gonna start with the corn flakes. I'm gonna dip this into the oil, but I'm not gonna move the spoon out of the way because we're gonna flash fry these. Wish me luck. I'm just frying these until the outside turns brown and the ice cream melted just a little bit, not too much. The ice cream held its shape. It's a little brown on the outside. This is exactly what I wanted. Next up is the Fruity Pebbles. That looks so great. Last but not least, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Now as an optional step, I'm gonna drizzle some chocolate on top of it to just add some more flavor to it. All right, I'm gonna try all 3 of them to see which one tastes the best. I'm gonna start with the corn flakes first. Bon appetit. Wow, oh my goodness. This has the perfect balance of the ice cream, the crunch, and the chocolate, and the cornflakes. That's really delicious. Not too much flavor from the cornflakes, but still really amazing. Now I'm gonna try the Fruity Pebble. Wow. Moving on to the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Wow, wow, wow. The crunch, the flavor. My absolute favorite is the Cinnamon Toast Crunch because it has that perfect crunch to it. The flavors of the cinnamon and the sugar come through with that ice cream. Wow, hands down, that's the best. I'm a Fruity Pebbles guy and I vote Cinnamon Toast Crunch. If you guys like these types of videos, subscribe, like. I'll see you guys in the next one.